Do you ever feel like editing your videos takes forever? Imagine if you could automate the whole editing process, cutting out long pauses, enhancing sound, syncing text, and even adding effects, all in just a few clicks. Today we're talking about AI-powered video editors like Descript and Wisecut, tools that are completely revolutionizing video editing. If you're tired of spending hours on tedious edits, this video is a must-watch. We'll cover how AI video editors work, the unique features that make them so powerful, and a few tricks to get the most out of these tools. By the end, you'll be ready to speed up your editing process and create videos that look professional with minimal effort. Let's dive in. So what exactly are AI-powered video editors? Think of them as editing assistants that understand what you're trying to do. With the help of artificial intelligence, tools like Descript and Wisecut can analyze your video, detect awkward pauses, filter out background noise, sync subtitles, and even trim scenes automatically. It's like having an editing assistant who's available 24/7 right on your computer. Traditional editing requires you to go through hours of footage, but with AI editors, you can instantly enhance video quality, optimize sound, and cut out what doesn't work without needing advanced editing skills. Let's get real. Editing can be one of the most time-consuming parts of content creation. But did you know that AI editors can reduce that time by up to 80%? Yes, you heard right, 80%. Imagine editing a 30-minute video in just a few clicks so you can spend more time creating or engaging with your audience. AI editing tools like Wisecut use algorithms to identify and cut out dead space. They literally read your footage to find sections where there are long pauses or background noise, saving you from the grind of manual editing. Now let's talk features, because AI video editors don't just save time. They offer tools that can take your videos to the next level. Here are 3 features that make these editors game changers. With Descript, you can edit videos just like a Word document. It transcribes your entire video into text, so all you need to do is delete words or sentences you don't want, and the software automatically makes those edits to the video. It's fast, easy, and completely user-friendly. Tired of dealing with low-quality audio? AI editors can automatically clean up audio, removing background noise and balancing sound levels. Wisecut, for instance, enhances voice quality and cuts out unnecessary noise, making your audio crisp and clear without extra equipment. AI editors can detect scene changes automatically. Descript and Wisecut use algorithms to analyze your footage and suggest natural transitions, making it easy to create a polished, professional video that flows well. They can even recommend cuts for different platforms like YouTube Shorts or Instagram. Wondering if AI editing works for your content? Whether you're a vlogger, tutorial creator, or business professional, AI video editors are designed to suit different needs. For vlogs and interviews. If you're a vlogger or podcaster, Descript is perfect for editing unscripted footage. It can remove filler words like or so your videos look polished without spending hours in post-production. For tutorials and educational content, Wisecut can help add automatic subtitles and break down your videos into digestible parts, keeping viewers engaged. And with AI-based audio leveling, every tutorial you create sounds professional for business and marketing videos. For business videos, these tools help you create clean, clear, and focused content in minutes. With auto captions and brand-focused templates, you can deliver a consistent and professional message every time. Let's be honest, attention spans are shrinking, which means engagement is everything. AI editors not only make your videos look and sound better, but they also allow you to maintain a fast-paced flow, which is key to keeping viewers watching. AI tools like Descript let you add captions with just one click so you can reach viewers who watch without sound. This not only boosts engagement, but also makes your videos accessible to a wider audience. To see this in action, let's go through a quick workflow example. Say you've just finished filming a 10-minute talking head video. Here's how it would work with Wisecut 1. Upload your video. First, you upload your footage to Wisecut. The AI analyzes it and gives you options for automated cuts based on pauses and filler words. 2. Audio enhancement. Then, Wisecut automatically enhances your audio, removing background noise and leveling volume. 3. Add captions and background music. Finally, with one click, you can add captions and choose background music that matches the tone of your content. Wisecut can even adjust the music volume to ensure your voice stands out. Alright, now that you're excited, how do you get started? Both Descript and Wisecut offer free trials so you can explore their features before committing. Descript is ideal if you're looking for text-based editing, while Wisecut is perfect for vloggers and quick edits. Try experimenting with a few small projects to get a feel for each tool's interface and capabilities. The learning curve is low and you'll quickly see how AI can transform your workflow. Of course, every tool has its pros and cons. Let's break it down so you know what to expect. Pros 1. Time-saving AI editors significantly reduce editing time. 2. Easy to use, minimal learning curve, making them great for beginners. 3. Boosts quality, improves video and audio without expensive equipment. Cons. 1. Limited customization. AI-based tools may lack some advanced features. 2. Subscription costs. While affordable, high-quality AI tools do require a monthly fee. 3. Not a replacement. These tools are amazing but work best when paired with human creativity. Let's wrap it up with a few tips to get the most out of AI editors. 1. Start small, experiment with short videos first. 2. Use text-based editing for simplicity. 3. Keep AI enhancements subtle. They should complement, not overwhelm your video. So, is AI editing the future of video creation? It's certainly part of it. AI video editors are powerful tools for anyone looking to produce high-quality content in less time. They won't replace the creative process, but they make it easier to focus on what truly matters, your message. Give Descript or Wisecut a try and see how much time you can save while boosting quality. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on automating your content creation process. Thanks for watching. Now go on, give AI video editing a shot and let us know in the comments how it transformed your process.